We were so close.
What do I want to be? Do I unlock
Nightmare.
anyone? Ooh, I got this chick.
The walls, you want to put it on Nightmare?
No, I'm gonna kill myself.
It's like
Got
that.
this person. Don't do Nightmare.
Whoa, Matt, what is
hacker.
that? Matt, you're missing a head. Just saying.
I'm just gonna Wait, where is he? Oh, somebody's already beat him.
Don't worry, Don't worry, Dion, that was my first time playing.
Like, get the hell out of there. Kill.
Matt, that's who you're gonna be? See him, I want to see what he looks like.
What are the smart that's standing here, man? What is the face mean? What does the face mean?
I don't know.
Matt, do you know?
No, actually.
If you be that guy, you'll be able to know. Because it'll say on the bottom left. Don't do this, Matt, please. Don't do Nightmare.
Yeah, do Nightmare, do Nightmare.
No, not
Are we doing
yet,
Founders
not
Hall?
No,
Don't do Nightmare yet. Just do easy ones and then we'll do Nightmare.
No, do not do
No,
Nightmare.
do Nightmare when I'm there.
Yeah,
Do
we'll wait for
Nightmare
it.
now. Twice.
Don't want to.
Scared of this one. Alright, we're doing it.
No.
Dude, you guys do Nightmare once,
Oh
and then
my
after
god,
you guys are done with,
I'm going straight to him.
and after you guys finish Nightmare, I should probably be done with Vengeance.
Okay, what does it say, Matt?
What do I look like?
Evasion.
Hey Matt, your body's not there. What do I look like? I just unlocked this shit.
Where's Matt? Oh my, where is
Maddie, where are you?
Dude, my freaking ears, my ears are still like hearing
Wait, Matt. Turn off your flashlight. I want to see if I see it. It's so weird. Look at the shoes.
You turn off the flashlight, we can't see him at all.
Maybe he won't see you either. That's our advantage.
That's the invasion. That's why he has invasion. Why are we on Nightmare?
I'm actually kind of scared.
That's booty though.
Oh, there's a penis. Let's go over here.
Ow, I just pulled fucking leg hair out. Oh my god, that hurts me fucking Here's pull a bunny fucking okay, what's the difference between I ran the back. Not black. How close is he? Oh, fuck you guys.
Oh, I see him already.
Where's he at? Door right?
To the right, yeah.
What's that direction? Oh, look. Oh, it's fall.
Before you wanna leave?
No, you can leave, but I just want to grab a tape.
Okay. Fucking Blue's Clues this bitch. Let's go.
I'm this guy.
I kinda like this chick. This chick's not too bad.
I saw him. I don't know where. I don't know where. I don't know.
which way to go.
I think he's to our right. It's to our right, yeah.
There.
Let's go this way. We haven't been this way. It looks like there's gonna be. Yes. I see one. I see a face. You guys near me?
standing in front of Noah, and it looked like your hat was on his head.
Someone else lead. I'm not going.
Let's go this way.
Where you at? I don't want to turn around. He's behind us, Demon.
No, he's not. I'm right here.
Where you guys? I don't know.
Oh, there's
You
one
guys
over
just left
here.
me. You're leaving me. Stop. Demon, you're leaving me.
Hold on, there's one over here.
Demon, I'm trying to take me.
Oh, God, he's right there.
Where's he at?
He's not happy.
I just saw him.
He's
Where's
not
he
a
at?
He's not a happy camper, guys.
I'm all the way in the back. What's the path of the sun? Come on, come on, come on. You can do it. You can. Again, right behind you.
Hey,
Fuck you, Sen. Oh, he's. Oh my god! We turned around. Did you guys turn around? I don't know.
I'm going for it. I'm all in. Fall to the wall.
We're already on 4. It's actually not that. I'm behind everyone. I'm so scared. I'm so. Are you recording with voice kid?
We've already been here. We've already been here.
I'm about to die.
Let's go this way.
I don't want to turn around. Where are you guys at? Like, we can't turn around. Oh, why am I in the back? I'm like the fastest character. Fastest character.
Oh, I saw the pickle and the nigger both behind me. Yeah, he's a little pickle thief.
Yeah, it dropped your sanity down. He's there. Too long. Does it like add up?
Yeah, it's like plus the rate too.
oh,
Oh,
Who died? Run! Run! Run!
Matt, did you die?
Matt? Oh god!
Yeah. Wait, were you the first that died?
Fuck you, Sam.
You were the first that died also. Matt. Join the club. I know how you
I
feel.
died once, but I was probably watching it.
ooh.
I see one. You only have 3 more. Yeah, he's behind. I don't want to. He's behind us. Come and try to get past me. I'm gonna walk. Get past me. Oh my god. Where are you
Oh,
at?
here's the road.
Ben, where are you at? Give me a way for a Sen.
Yeah, I'm going in this door. So I know there's one over here. Oh, he's over here somewhere.
Oh my god, he's stalking me. I'm sitting behind the door. I'm turning off my flashlight. I'm looking in the corner. What do we do? What do we do?
He's not there. He's not there. He's not there.
You go first, then.
I'm right outside the door. He's there. Who the fuck?
Where'd he go? Oh, he's right there! Go, he's right to our right! He's like 10 feet away. Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? I'm scared. Oh, no.
I walked the lonely road.
I need a diaper. I'm putting on a diaper if I play this. He's just standing there. Like, oh my god. Oh! He got a Sen! He got a Sen!
He took you? Without my permission, he just grabbed. Fuck it, I'm done. I'm. Fuck this.
Man, grab
So
the
you
one
died
over here,
too?
man.
It's actually really cool.
Oh, he's right there. Oh my god.
You hear him? He's like, ugh. Is there a door to our right now? Oh, bitch.
He's like trying to beat off to us for it. Let's run.
They're gonna have that massive videos, though. Do you, like, lose your mind every time you fight them?
I think we've been to this part.
More fighting than shit. You have a better chance to come up and just rape your ass.
Yeah, like he did with me.
I think we could have beat this easy, but 2 more tapes, 2 more people. I'll probably, if Demon dies, you guys know where I'm not passing this. I will be too. Oh my god!
He's right there.
I just turned around. Where'd you go? Oh, he's chasing me! It's dangerous to go alone. Oh, I'm getting goosebumps. I'm looking up, turning my flashlight. I'm just closing my eyes.
I'm looking at the ground, flashlight off.
I hear noises. My eyes are closed. What's happening?
Oh, he took me.
I'm just looking up. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm just walking. I don't even care. Come take me. I'm sitting here.
Oh, I see you. I see you flashing your light. I'm coming for it. I'm coming.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I just opened my eyes and he's just eating me. Oh my god!
Hold on, I want to watch the map.
I just shit my pants.
I just got a new person.
Oh my god.
You did?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
How do you not?
Look at it.
Hold on, I want to watch the replay.
Oh my god. I just opened my eyes and...
Yeah, you just let the credits roll. Or whatever at the end. It took us a while to get the first tape. We saw him. We got the next one. We saw him a couple times.
We got him, and then we saw him. We did.
Oh, then we
got
went
it.
by the tape, but we never got the tape.
Someone saw, or I saw them, and then I got the tape.
We followed
all
the same
saw
path back. There's Maddie. We got another tape.
Well, that was us seeing him, but there's Maddie dying. It's a good death.
You guys can play another game.
What was that?
I'm only at like 6.
I don't know what happened at the end.
That was us splitting up, and you died now.
Oh, I got that guy now, Maddie. Oh,